If you're a golfer, you're going to love these homes. Located in Arlington between 30 and 20, prime location. There's a golf course on either side of you, basically. So whatever golf course you like, if you're a golfer, you're going to be in heaven. This model we just toured was a 4-bedroom. You see it's beautifully appointed. One of the things I really like about it was you can see the tile behind me. Recall in the video how it went all the way up to the ceiling. I mean, it's just nicely appointed. I get a little more information. I'll leave it in the description below. And as always, drop me a comment, shoot me a DM, find out how much you can get back with our Cashback and Keys program. Let's go take a look at the next house.